Game na pa? Ready? Hello, Aya. Oh, Aya din. Hello. Sana lumaki ka mabuting bata. Huwag makulit lagi. Mama.
Anak, happy second birthday! Sana masaya ka tonight. Yee! Ang prayer ko sa'yo, good health. Ayan, ang kulit-kulit, di ba? Oh, hello na. Ikaw na, ikaw na.
Ikaw na. What will you say?
Hello? Hello na.
What will you say?
Hello.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa.
Okay na.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Hi, Aya. I'm Ate Kazel. I'm your ate. And palagi mo ako kasama sa bahay. Ako nag-aalaga sa'yo, alam mo yan. Ang message ko lang sa'yo ay lumaki ka ng mabuti and may tako sa Diyos. And sana hindi mo na ako inaaway. Charis. Joke lang. Love you, ma.
Si ate
Bye-bye.
Tapos, okay lang pasabi din dun sa iba, sa loob. Pagpasok nyo, okay lang pasabi na mag-record sila ng greetings. Yan, okay na. Ay. Nasaan ba? Okay na? Hi, Aya. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang, mag-aral ka ng mabuti, pati ingatan mo sarili mo. Lang kulit-kulit mo na. Palagi mo tatandaan, we love you always. Mahal ka namin sa bahay. Pati sa iba. Yun lang. Love you. Okay lang pasabi sa iba. Na, punta sila dito.
Go, baby ko. Sige na, ay.
Message for baby.
Message na, baby ko.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Baby. Aya. We love you. Take care always. Always.
Tapos kayo nakita mo. Ayan, lagay na po.
Okay. Happy birthday, Hiraya. May you have many more birthdays to come and ikaw ang blessings sa daddy at mommy mo. Matagal ka namin pinag-pray and sana maging blessing ka rin sa iba katulad ng iyong parents. Thank you and God bless. Birthday.
Ayan, ito po mag-record.
Okay na. Hello, Hiraya. Happy second birthday. Panalangin ko ay maging malusog ka at lagi kang maging masaya kasama ang inyong mami at daddy. Ayun, God bless you always. We love you.
Tingin ka rito sa ka.
Happy birthday, Aya. I love you, Sam.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aya. I love you, Sam.
Okay na?
Rolling na po.
Aya. Si dada mo to. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. We love you, Aya. Happy birthday again.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you. Ayan, thank you na po yan. Patuloy mo muna.
Say happy birthday, Aya. Sing.
Birthday, Aya.
Love you.
Ayun na, play yun po siya.
Happy birthday, Aya. God bless.
Okay na po.
Happy birthday, Hiraya. Sana ay makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. And then sana may takot ka sa Diyos. Salamat sa pag-invite. Happy birthday.
Kita mo yung face mo. Ano ka? Message siya na. Ayan, go. Message siya.
No, Aya. I hope you become a good girl and listen to your mom and dad.
Hi, Aya. Happy birthday. I hope you grow in the goodness and likeness of God. May you have blissful years to come. God bless you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Okay, sorry.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Aya. We love you.
Love you, Aya. Say I love you, Aya. Say mo, I love you. Aya, try mo. Bye-bye. Thank you, Aya. Say thank you to Aya.
Happy birthday, Hiraya! Hi, Hiraya. I'm your Ate Faith. And even though second birthday mo pa lang, I hope you know how well loved you are and that a lot of people will support you to who you want to become. And if you ever need anything, know that your parents are very loving as well. And kami rin, will always have your back. Yun lang. Happy birthday! Okay na po. Ano sasabihin mo?
Happy birthday, Aya. Sana lumaki kang mabait at sweet na bata. Love na love ka namin ni Gege. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aya. Love you. Okay na po to. Hello, Aya. Happy birthday. God bless you. Ikaw. Great. Tara. Hi, Raya. Hi, Aya. Happy birthday. And sana pag nakita mo to, pag malaki ka na, nag-enjoy kami sa party mo and sobrang saya. Happy birthday! Hi! Hello, Raya! Happy birthday! I'm so happy and I'm so glad kasi dito ka sa BGC Triangle Drive na celebrate ng birthday mo. Again, happy birthday! Stay healthy, pretty, and beautiful like your mommy. Hi! I'm Ate Danica. Thank you! Hi again! It's me again, Hiraya. Sana pag nakita mo tong video na to, maaalala mo kami. Your second birthday here at Jollibee BGC Triangle Drive. I am Ate Danica. Together with me is Ate Rona, Ma'am Ana. Welcome, everyone. Hi! Thank you. Happy birthday again. Thank you, Ma.